and just received this uncut video to share of this idiot Orlando police officer blasting down the road in Seminole County, who has arguably the best deputies in the state of Florida, if not the country. Especially ones that do their job regardless if they're police or FHP or other deputies. That's just what they do. But you can see the ignorance and the entitlement from Orlando, from its Democratic leadership all the way down to its law enforcement. So good on Seminole County for going after this guy who is now relieved of his duty in Orlando.
He's the guy that...
Now, what's funny is if you listen to that Seminole County deputy, he says he's the guy that's all right, which means he's probably done this before and they've been looking out for this clown, or this clown's been reported before.
This one or this one?
Yeah, 11070. Pull over. You gonna pull over?
Please say a command.
Pull over.
Now, if you listen here, you'll hear Alexander Shaouni fighting with the deputy, and then turns around and leaves the scene. Body-worn footage is coming up right after this, so you can see the engagement with the two.
You can say a device name like audio, CD, or radio. Phone is always active, so you can say things like, call John Smith, main menu, say a command. Asking, what can I say, will always bring up a list of active commands. For sync support, call 1-877-945-3648, or see the tips available at www.syncmyride.com.
3113 to 313.
What? I am going into work, my man. Why are you trying to pull me over as I'm going into work?
Because you're going 80 and a 45.
I am going into work.
Okay, what are you going to work for?
What does it look like I am dressed for?
What
does it look like I am dressed for?
My name is Deputy Hilton, and they see your driver's license.
No.
Okay. 3113, copy at 1050.
What amazes me here is he almost backs into the deputy as well.
10-4, I got a city, Orlando PD taking off from a traffic stop. It's going to be X-Ray Foxtrot 6207, XF 6207. You refuse to stop.
www.syncmyride.com.